Most people dream of having a perfectly manicured lawn without lifting a finger. And with the Segway Navimow i108E robotic lawn mower, that dream becomes a reality. Today we're diving into the magic of this cutting-edge technology and how it's revolutionizing lawn care. Are you tired of spending countless hours mowing your lawn every weekend? Say goodbye to tedious lawn care with the Segway Navimow i108E. This innovative device takes all the hard work out of maintaining your lawn, allowing you to sit back and relax while it handles the job for you. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology and an intelligent navigation system, the Segway Navimow i108E ensures that your lawn is perfectly trimmed every time. It can handle slopes up to 45%, works in rainy conditions, and even includes a built-in theft alarm for added security. Looking to upgrade your lawn maintenance game? The Segway Navimow i108E robotic lawn mower will transform your yard into a well-manicured oasis without you having to lift a finger. With its advanced navigation system, it efficiently mows your lawn with precision and ease. Say goodbye to pushing heavy lawn mowers around your yard. The Navimow i108E does all the work for you. Equipped with state-of-the-art sensors, it navigates around obstacles and adjusts its mowing pattern based on your yard's layout. Plus, with its quiet operation and eco-friendly design, you can enjoy a beautifully maintained lawn without any hassle. With the Segway Navimow i108E robotic lawn mower, maintaining a lush, green lawn has never been easier. This smart technology allows you to sit back and relax while the Navimow i108E handles all the hard work for you. Equipped with advanced sensors and GPS navigation, the Navimow i108E effortlessly navigates your lawn, ensuring no spot is missed. With its efficient cutting system and adjustable mowing heights, you can customize the way you want your lawn to look. Imagine never having to spend your weekends mowing the lawn again. With the Segway Navimow i108E robotic lawn mower, you can sit back and relax while this efficient and precise machine takes care of your lawn for you. Its advanced navigation system uses GPS and boundary wires to create a custom mowing plan for your yard, ensuring every inch is perfectly trimmed. You can schedule mowing sessions right from your smartphone, adjust cutting heights with ease, and even monitor its progress in real time. In conclusion, the Segway Navimow i108E robotic lawn mower is a game-changer for anyone looking to simplify their lawn care routine and achieve professional quality results with ease. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional lawn mowing and hello to a more convenient and enjoyable outdoor experience. Invest in the Segway Navimow i108E robotic lawn mower today and take your lawn care routine to the next level.